In this video, we are going to talk about Excel array formulas. So array means a set of data. Maybe let us take an example. In column A, we have this data that is price, and we have different values here. So if I select this entire data, this is an array of data. Another array of data is quantity, where multiple quantities are there. Similarly, the discount range. So within Excel, we have option to define our data as array, and some of the specific features are there. So let's see how we can utilize it to save some time. So let me start writing that formula. So if I go to this particular cell D2 and start writing this formula equal, then first of all, what I wanted to do, I wanted to select this particular array of data A2 to A11, and which I wanted to multiply with quantity, this array of data, right? B2 to B11. So this is my total price now. So that we calculated. Now to calculate the discount, now I need to subtract this discount value. So let's calculate that also. Similarly, again, I'll select this data and which will be multiplied by quantity array range and multiplied by again this discount array range. And I need to close this parenthesis. Now we have this entire data. I need to close another time. Yeah. So now I have this formula ready. First one is your price multiplied by quantity. So you will get the value of this particular product. And from there, you need to subtract your discount, which is again this entire value multiplied by your discount. Now there is a difference how we are going to calculate this thing. Normally, how we calculate price, one particular cell multiplied by the quantity cell, and then we subtract discount from there. But here we are doing for the entire range because it's an array formula. Now I would require your attention here. If I now press Control Shift and then I hit Enter, I got my value here. That's the total. If you see 100 multiplied by 10, which means 1000, if I subtract 10% discount, that is 900. I just need to drag it down and your entire formula is ready. So this is the way you can use Excel array formula and you can calculate huge amount of data quickly. And this particular feature will be useful specifically for a situation where you need to work on a huge amount of data set. So hopefully this particular array formula you will be able to use it. There are also multiple other ways how an array formula can be used. Maybe I'll try to cover those in any of my future videos.